Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google photo. So I'm going to click on here now to open up my Google photo. Having opened up your Google photo, next thing you want to do is to select a particular image that you want to change the aspect ratio, or you want to crop the particular image. Like for instance, I'm going to choose this particular image right here. Then having selected the image, next thing I'm going to do is to click on edit right here. Then it's going to take me right here. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here. Then we have different aspect ratio right here. Here I can decide to change this particular image to 3:4. Then you have it exactly 3:4 format. However, I can go back again and decide to change from 3:4 to 4:3. Everything depends on the aspect ratio of what you are looking for. Then I can easily adjust the face right here. Okay, I can go from 4:4, 4:3 again, and decide to switch to 16:9. So everything depends on exactly what you really want to achieve. So what you are getting here is accuracy of exactly what you need. This is 4:3 right here. So you can adjust the area you need from that particular image right here. So you can try as much as possible to choose anyone right here. You can also make use of freeform. So when you click on freeform, this allows you to drag to a certain area that you want to exactly crop or adjust the size as the case may be. So I can simply go back right here and choose a custom format right here. Everything depends on exactly what you really want to achieve. It's that simple. Once you are done with everything here, next thing you want to do is to click on this check mark right here to accept. Then you have it right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on save as copy right here. And it has successfully saved back to your Google photo. Then go back to your Google photo right here. Then you have the copy right here. So this is after and this is before. However, this is depends on exactly what you want to crop and the aspect ratio you are looking for as far as Google photo editing is concerned. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google photo app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.